I didn't expect to see this happen, but maybe if you have better eyes than Brother Clarence, you saw it coming. Not too long ago, we were looking at the 2025 gift guide from Games Workshop, and we found mention of their goals for 1 million miniatures painted in 2026. So we said, oh, let's keep an eye out for that announcement and what the specific rules of the challenge will be. And with 2 days to go for 2025, Games Workshop has finally delivered the rules for this 2026 goal with a surprising twist. This is what I didn't see coming. I'm sure if you were smarter than me, you saw it coming. Games Workshop isn't giving us a year to complete this 2026 challenge. That's right. We have less than a year to paint 1 million miniatures. And I don't know about you, but I am feeling the heat. The big goal to hit 1 million miniatures is May 9th. That's less than 6 months. Officially, the challenge starts on January 17th. That's when you'll go to your local Warhammer store to pick up these cool looking challenge cards. But with a end date of May 9th, that's less than 5 months to get everything painted. So, my hope is we'll hit that goal. A lot of Warhammer painters out there in the world. I think we can get that done. It's just a question of getting to the Warhammer store to set a goal. Either 25, 50, or 100 miniatures painted. I think could easily get 25 or 50 done before May. I know my limits. I know I can't do 100. But I'm definitely willing down to give it a try if you want to do it with me. Maybe it's time to bring back some painting streams. But you'll go to your local store, you'll fill out the challenge card, make your pledge for how many you're willing to paint, and you'll get some prizes as you complete. If you paint 25 miniatures, Games Workshop will give, well, if you hit 3 different goals, 25, 50, or 100 miniatures, as you finish out the pledges, you get different prizes along the way. If you get 25 miniatures painted, you'll get one of these little pins. If you paint 50 miniatures, you'll get a rubber mat and a paint pot. And if you paint 100, you'll get a carrying case for 3 brushes. And I'll tell you what, having just wrapped up some winter traveling, it sure would have been nice to have a carrying case for some brushes so I could paint while I was out. So I like the idea of this challenge. This is right up my alley. They're also going to give you some little presents if you bring in some friends. Makes sense to me. We all have a plastic crack addiction. Why not get somebody else hooked too? So this seems like something I'd be interested in. Are you somebody who thinks they can paint 25, 50, or 100 miniatures before May 9th? Is this something that you'd want to take part in? Is there even a Warhammer store in your area to sign up for this event? Let me know down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. I loved the idea of having the entirety of 2026 to paint 1 million miniatures as a community, knowing it's 5 months. Ooh, that has put a little stress on me. Ooh. But I guess that's how a challenge works. If it doesn't make you feel stressed, then it's probably not much of a challenge. Anyway, that's my thoughts. Hope you all have a great day, stay safe, and party like the rock star you are. Adioski broski.